Hello, this video will show you steps to apply some formula and draw the chart to see the data. On the screen, you see a table example about expenditure every month from January to December of a year. Now we apply some formula to calculate total expenditure in a month or total expenditure for one thing in a year. For example, we calculate the total expenditure in January. Step 1. You type the sum formula in cell C10. The formula is Step 2. We select the range of data in column C from C3 to C9. After that, you press the enter on the keyboard to get the results. Here is the total expenditure in January, $785 in this month. Either way, if we don't have much data, maybe we have 2, 3 or 4 data, we can do simple. We type the equal formula in this cell with C3 plus C4 to C9, and we press the enter on the keyboard to get the result, and we get the same result with the first way. You do the similar way while calculating the total expenditure for one thing here in this year. For example, we calculate the expenditure for traveling in this year. Step 1, we type the sum formula in this cell. Step 2, we select the range of data in this row from C6 to M6. Enter. We got the result. Here is the total expenditure for traveling in this year, $610. To calculate another month or another thing, we can do the same thing, or either way, we can drag the cell we have result to another. Here we can get the result for total expenditure in either month, or we can get the result for other things in this year. In this cell, we cannot drag, we can copy. we copy this result to this cell. And we have the result for other things. Now we want to show this data on a chart or graph. For example, we want to show the total expenditure according to month. We do two steps. First step, we select the row 2 from B2 to M2 and select the data in row 10 from B10 to M10. To select the second row, we need to press and hold the control button on the keyboard. Step 2, we come to menu bar here and select insert. In the chart function, we choose bar chart. Bar chart here and select a chart. In this chart, we can see the expenditure for a month in Visualize. And we can see and compare the expenditure each month in this year. We see in July we have the highest expenditure. We can ask more information for chart data. You click the right mouse. Data, yes, we have number for each month here, for each bar. We can change the chart name. In the same way, we can have a chart for each thing here in this year. We choose the column B and press the control on the keyboard and select the column, and we come into insert function and select chart bar.